My name's Kate and I'm studying Welsh with Dysgu Cymraeg at Cardiff University. Well, after I moved to Wales a couple of years ago, I thought, it's going to be an interesting thing to do, to study Welsh. And then I've realised how much fun it is to do. I've met some really lovely people, made some good friends, and it's just made me feel much more connected to Wales, to the culture. It's opened a door to learning about the history. So yeah, it's been great studying Welsh. Yeah, I remember I was just listening to the radio and I think it was a Bulletin Thaith, and I just realised, I understand that. It was just this sort of moment, it's like a light bulb going off. It was just, it was fantastic. Yeah, it sounds a bit silly, but it was just a really, really sort of, great moment. I think that the Dysgu Cymraeg provides a brilliant service. The tutors are just so enthusiastic and so keen, really supportive as well, and it's been a pleasure coming to class. It's something I look forward to. So yeah, it's not a chore, it's definitely a pleasure. If you're thinking about signing up for a Dysgu Cymraeg course, just go for it. You won't regret it. It's a fantastic thing to do, and it's such an enjoyable experience. Definitely won't regret it.